We're going to try our new matcha. So this is what I bought. Marukyu, Koyama, and Aorashi. 40 grams. I bought this for 1,157. I also already tried Ayamaru from Maru Matcha. This is my favorite matcha out of all the matchas that I've tried. And so I'm motivated to try the rest of their collection. Okay, let's try this one first. Ngayon ko pa lang siya i-open. Wala pala siyang bag inside. Diretso siya pag open mo ng seal. Let's do 3 grams because in Ayamaru, I did 5 grams and then I did 3 grams. Okay pa rin yung lasa in both. So since we're trying to save, let's just do 3 grams. This is actually cheaper than Maru Matcha, but let's see if I like the taste of this. Yun nga lang, it's so tagal dumating, like it's really unpredictable. When I first ordered it, they said it would arrive May 31 and then it said bigla May 16 and then na-deliver siya like May 22. Okay, let's just do 3 grams. I'm not gonna sift it. I don't really like sifting. I'm just gonna use a frother anyway. I'm gonna make it the same way that I make my other matcha. So, same all ingredients. This is sugar syrup and then also I'm gonna use monin. Milk is still outside. I still haven't tried other milks, but I realized that I don't really like dairy milk or soy milk. I'm gonna try Oatly next time maybe if I can find it. I also bought a new frother. Remember last time yung frother natin pasira na. Like wala na talaga siya nitong pink sa dulo. And then nasira na siya ng tuluyan. So we bought a new frother. Ang ganda ng bagong frother, guys. Look, it frothered to so much. Yung frother namin before, it barely spun. Kahit nagpo-frother kami, we still have to mix manually. Look at our matcha, guys. This is just 3 grams. Look at it. Ang ganda. It looks so thick and it looks so creamy. Time to taste this. Masarap. But it's not bitter. It is sweeter. Mga bases ko lang naman yung mga na-try ko before. And this one doesn't taste savory, doesn't taste like seaweed or grass or vegetables. Does it taste like sweet corn? It is sweet and walang bitterness. I really like this. I'm not sure how to explain much more than that, but it is so good. And even though I'm a beginner, I really like this. And it's so sulit. 1157 for 40 grams. So how much is that? Let's math it out. It's 28 per gram times 3 because I only use 3. So 1 cup is just at least 86 pesos. Wala pa yung mga gatas and stuff, but like at least 86 pesos, not bad. This is so good. I'm so happy about this purchase. But I also want to try the other variants of Maru Matcha. So let's see. Pero medyo natatakot ako when they say deep umami and stuff like that. I'm a little bit scared kasi I really like the sweet kinds. Be in Davao already by that time. They say diba the Davao is matcha capital. So I don't know. I'm gonna see. So on second thought, parang may nalalasahan nga akong sweet